Got it? What's going on? Get this bloody thing open. Yeah, pull the...
Yeah, but the thing is broken too, so...
Just pull it like you pull... Aha! There we go.
There we go. You just gotta cut your fingers.
There we go. Alright. Oh, this is like when you're with your lover. Oh. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, that's why we got no power. Let's get to this. G'day and welcome back to the Bolt Bucket Garage. We got Dylsie.
Going on, guys?
And we're going to start this thing up for the first time in a long time. I don't know how many years it's been sitting here.
Mate.
We've already established she ain't got no battery.
Yeah.
So she ain't starting like that.
You ain't getting any volts.
So we decided we'll get something earlier. Grab what we got here, Dylsie.
Yeah.
What we got here? So, what we
Just
got?
an average battery.
That'll do. And
It'll work.
average. Okay, anyway. So we're going to chuck this in. Play around a little and see if we can get this thing started for the first time in years.
Yeah.
Now, if you haven't seen, this is a 1993 Ford Falcon ED. Well, it's a Fairmont upper class. So you got mwah.
Yeah.
So anyway, there's Dylsie already jumping at it like shit. Let me get onto
get it
these
done,
tools, eh? Alright, let's get into this. Alright, so as you can see, what we got going on here.
A concoction of wires.
We got plenty of wires on this thing. This is like, just as, if you haven't noticed, we got the fuel injections. Yes, there's fuel, there's electrical. Whoa. Then we've got this EEC4, I don't know. It's a 6-banger, look at that. Straight 6. Pure engine.
6 in a row, ready to tow.
Oh yeah. Look at that. So this thing's stock. Look at it. Just been neglected. We've got some issues around it. Don't look too good at the front there, but
Couple of weeps, eh?
she'll be alright.
Yep.
Oh, it looks fine to me.
Generally,
Alright,
if
so
it hasn't got weeps.
what you need to do is make sure your positive electricals is pointing upwards to your steel bonnet.
Yes. And then,
Ta-da!
no issues, right?
Done. Alright, now, don't make sure whenever you're putting the battery in, you get it the right way. Negative, positive, and maybe...
Positive, negative, could be, you know.
It doesn't matter, whichever.
Yeah.
Look for the plus and the minus.
If you got reverse polarity, you know you're fucked up.
Alright, so what we want to do here is just, what? We're hearing something.
Oh, shit's engaging.
Alright.
Well, it's wired, okay. Have you got a nut? Zip, 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 zip. All right, it's on.
3 hours later.
Alright, so we found a nut to secure the terminal a bit better. So I've actually got negative now, ground. Alright, let's give this a whirl. Right, go Jules. It started! Oh, she's running! Hold on, let's do this. Yeah, she's tapping a little bit, but she's going. Shit, alright. Next dilemma we got is we need to get this from being round on top and flat on the bottom to being round all round.
Yeah,
Round all round? Alright.
round or round would be good.
So we're trying to use this thing to go into there to go round all round. Alright. Let's do that. So This is looking pretty damn bad. Not ideal. Fingers crossed. Maybe we might need to do the old starting fluid, bit of flame trick.
Fuck. Might have to. Yeah, she's holding. Beauty. Yeah. Didn't look like it when I looked. You don't need power steering anyway. That's for the ladies when they need to park the car.
You don't need power steering fluid.
Nah, just be a man. You got a couple of fucking clunks coming from your shaft as well, man. Uni joints, I reckon. She's back on a lean like we never even pumped the tyre up.
Electrics, windows work.
They do.
Pretty cool. Oh, fuck. Boiling in there.
Bloody someone did a number on this, didn't they?
Yeah.
Bastards. Nah, water won't get in there. But sweet.
Oh, you got stuff all the place, Alright.
Some dickhead reverse it into something that was clean. I don't know, a few years ago, but it was clean.
We got a quick release ignition.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ford. Built tough. Not bad for a Lux pack, eh? I was trying to work it out. What is it, 29-year-old? 30-year-old?
30.
30,
30
yeah.
years old this year.
Fucking hell, 30-year-old this year. Getting the nice
Order from
fucking...
Dylsie.
Mate, she's alright.
We got it going.
You got your carpeted bloody interior.
Yeah, look at that.
She
It's
ain't
pretty-
bad, man.
Let's get to
Sheepskins?
clean it up then.
Yeah, it's time to tidy her up. Get all the glass out of her.
Get a little bit more fuel.
Redo those seals now that we've got them. Yeah, well look, soccer ball. We can do some kick sports at lunch break.
Oh, cool. Alright. Let's hose it down.
Yeah, let's do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's a runner and she's a little bit more cleaner now, so cheers. We got plenty of work to do. Power steering, we got to check out the leak that's there, give more of a good tidy up and all that, and go right through it.
Yeah. Pick
But-
up all the trimming down the side.
Yep.
Steeps.
So don't leave your car out where there's methods.
Yeah. Apparently they see value in it.
Yeah. Anyway, hope you like this. If you have, hit that like button, hit the subscribe. There's plenty more content. And we'll see you next time, I guess. Time for a beer, Dylsie.
Bloody oath.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm.